Understanding the Turning Point, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, the turning point. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday conversation and in more formal contexts. Understanding it can really help you grasp some nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The turning point refers to a specific moment in time when a significant change occurs. This change could be in a person's life, in a story, or even in historical events. The key aspect of a turning point is that it marks a shift from one path to another, often leading to a new and different outcome. It's like reaching the top of a hill and starting to move down the other side. Things change direction at this point. 1. Personal life. In someone's life, a turning point might be a major event like graduating from college, which opens up new career opportunities. 2. Literature. In stories or novels, a turning point is often a climax or a significant event that changes the course of the narrative. 3. History. Historically, a turning point can be an event like a battle or a discovery that alters the course of history. By understanding these examples, you can start to see how versatile and important this phrase is in different contexts. Here are some examples of how you can incorporate the turning point into your conversations or writing. The turning point in the movie was when the main character decided to confront the antagonist. Many historians consider the invention of the printing press a major turning point in human history. Moving to a new city was the turning point in her career. Notice how the phrase sets up a moment of significant change in each example. The turning point is a powerful phrase that helps describe moments of significant change in various contexts. Whether you're discussing literature, history, or personal experiences, understanding and using this phrase can enhance your communication in English. We hope this video has been helpful in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.